at all her gin-gins.
Ginger candy's good for you. It settles your stomach.
Yeah, but you got like 20 million of them.
It will last me 20 million years.
Alright.
Per day.
It's a cloudy day.
You don't need your sunglasses.
I do too. Helps deflect the reflect. There's the end of the storm. There you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Now we're going to the end. You can see the brightness. Almost out of the storm. It's funny. Dark day, bright day, dark day, bright. Check out those clouds way over there. Look at there. Oh yeah. They won't focus, but they're really pretty. Windshield. Now, there's the storm. No storm. Here's our breakfast. We got a ham biscuit. She got pancakes. Pretty good food at Biscuitville.
The biscuit does look good.
Yeah, they got really good biscuits.
Thank you.
They feel nice.
I did that for you before I know the Duke on that. Oh!
Uh-oh. You take
More than 1,000 foods for babies and toddlers, and found about 70%.
I wanted to film him, so I had my camera on before we left.
Did you get it?
Yeah. I don't know if I mean $1.99. Ooh, I stepped on one. $3. I feel like you get a lot of them, but that's funny how this one is in this kind of bag. A different name, maybe. Grapes. Now this is funny right here. Check out this one. Fudge vacuum sealed. That is fun. Hard as a rock. Cheese. Yeah. You got a bag of lemons, yeah. Pineapple. Poke you. Poke yourself. Ow. $1.89. That's pretty good on a pineapple. Cool. Apples. Apples. Cantaloupe. Green. Cuties look way better than these. What are these? Classic Florida. Yeah, that looks like classic Florida. Oh, look at that. Carrots. Cucumber. Texas grapefruit.
2, 4, 7 of them.
Look how huge those are. Those are big. That's a big one.
Fill them to make sure they're not too squishy.
They're a little squishy. Look at that bread. Wow. Italian bread. Look at this bread. Look.
That is crazy.
That looks weird. Meat and meat, it's good to eat. What kind of meat would you like to eat? Ooh, look down. Hamburglers. Ooh, filet. Filet bacon wrap. I like that. Ew, you can touch it. Squishy. Chicken. Pork. Chicken, pork. Good afternoon, people. Stop it for liking. Yeah. Okay, got it. Today, it has been a little bit rainy, and I'm just going chipping. I got my, what do you call it? Davy Crockett Huckleberry Finn sack with some balls in it and a trash bag to keep it from getting wet. Just in case it rains, I'm going to throw this on over the camera and switch to the GoPro because it's waterproof. So here, I think I had a couple good shots, but the camera fell over because the wind blew it over, and I guess it cut off right where my cat showed up. Anyways, oh well. It's windy. See the sky. It gets bright, then it gets dim. Watch the bamboo. That's so cool. You can see better there. I put the wind reduction on it a couple days ago, so that's why it should be a little bit less windy when you hear talk and stuff. She didn't follow me. Sometimes she follows me. But that bamboo's going crazy, man. I'll just do it again. This is the left-handed chip shot. Almost. This is the left-handed chip shot attempt number 2. Oh, double hit. Okay, and right here the ground is super wet, like where I'm chipping from. I mean, you can't see it from right here, but it's hard to get a hold of the club and the ball and hit it at the right spot, because or else you'll chunk it or you'll hit it too hard. So that's something on that shot. Never mind, I changed my mind. It's too windy over there, so I'm gonna point the camera over here and take a chip shot from over here, okay? Let's go from over here. I'd say it's pretty windy, wouldn't you? I mean, look at this. Watch. Whoop. Bendy. Like a bendy straw. Whoop. Woo. Bending over. Okay.
You fell!
So, I thought I'd end the vlog by showing my buddy. It got so cold today and the wind was blowing that I had to kind of pause and, well, I kind of forgot to put this up. So, gonna do that. Gonna go chip, putt, hit drives, hit shots tomorrow. And I don't know what else. Probably something else. Play some more golf. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye. Are you still watching? Go watch something else. Go watch another video. I got plenty of them up. Did I shut this thing off? No, I didn't shut it off. That means you need to cut it off. Bye.